Hello viewers, today we are talk about Paul Siffert. Paul Siffert, 1874 to 1957, was a French painter whose work primarily focused on the idealized female figure. Presented in classical academic style, his life and art spanned a critical period in French art. As the country transitioned from the Romanticism of the 19th century into the various modernist movement of the 20th century. Despite this artistic upheavals, Siffert remained faithful to more traditional acclamic style, which is both a testament to his personal artistic vision and his dedication to the classical ideal that had shaped his early education. Born in 11 November 1874 in Paris, Siffert showed an early aptitude for drawing and painting, which led him to pursue formal studies at the young age. He entered the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where he was trained under some of the most important academic artists of the day. Seaford studied under the accomplished and respected painter Gabriel Guy and later Jean Louis, a master of classical realism and one of the most significant figures in the academic art world of 19th century France. At the École des Beaux-Arts, Siffert observed of the foundational techniques of classical painting, the rigorous study of anatomy, attention to detail, and the idealization of the human forms. His education was also deeply rooted in the traditional methods of figure drawing and painting, which would come to define much of his work. Siffer's art can be characterized by deeply connected to the classical tradition, heavily influenced by the works of Renaissance master and the academic painting of the 19th century. His subjects were often mythological or allegorical, and his best known for his depiction for the female nude. His figures were rendered in exquisite detail with an emphasis on the purity and grace of form. He followed a soft, realistic style, and his use of light and shadow created a scene of three-dimensionally in his work. Unlike many of his contemporaries who were experimenting with new movements such as Impressionism, Fusionism, or Cubism, Seifert stayed committed to classical techniques and ideas. This set him apart from the avant-garde artists of his time, but also earned him recognition in more conservative circle, where his technical mastery and attention to detail were highly valued. The female figure was central to Siffert's work, and his paintings often celebrated the beauty and grace of women. His models depicted the delicate, lifelike precision seemed to evoke a timeless, idealized version of femininity. He often positioned his figure in natural or mythological settings, which gave his work an ethereal quality. While his subjects were highly romanticized, Sifford managed to balance idealism with a clear understanding of human anatomy, making his figure both beautiful and believable. Seifert's career was marked by numerous awards and recognitions. He exhibited at the Salon des Artistes Français, one of the most prestigious art exhibitions in France, where he won multiple awards. His first major recognition came in 1902 when he was awarded a medal for his outstanding work in classical figure painting. Over there, he became a respected member of the Salon, constantly showcasing his pieces and contributing to the academic art tradition. In 1921, Siffert was appointed a member of the Légion d'honneur, one of France's highest honors in recognition of his contribution of France art. His reputation extended beyond France, with his work being shown internationally and collected by art patrons around the world. Seifert's career spanned a time of great changing in the art world, and although his style remained constant, his mastery of technique kept his work in demand. He remained a permanent figure in academic art circle well into the 20th century. Paul Seifert's legacy is that of a traditional in a time of revelation, while many of his peers were pushing the boundaries of art in new and radical direction. Seifert stayed true to the classical ideals that had shaped his early training. His work serves as a bridge between the classical academic tradition of the 19th century and the evolving modern art movement of the 20th century. His painting, particularly his nudes, are celebrated for their grace, elegance, and technical brilliance. Seifert managed to capture the human form with a timeless beauty that transcended the trends of his era. Thank you for watching this video.